The Wisconsin Energy Conservation Corporation headquarters in Madison features the latest in green technologies and gives us a glimpse of what the future holds for environmentally sustainable structures.
The low energy use of the building.
The project was created to show energy-conscious developers and business owners how they can build energy-efficient, sustainable buildings economically, and to educate them on why being environmentally responsible can be a smart and affordable business decision.
Our mission is to promote the role that energy efficiency and renewable energy can play in meeting our country's increasing demand for energy. We all need to get smart quickly about how to design our homes and buildings to use less energy. So when our organization decided to build a new facility to accommodate our growth, we really jumped at the chance to demonstrate how informed construction and design principles can be used to create a functional, efficient, healthy, and sustainable building. Change is hard, and adopting sustainable construction design practices can be a really challenging endeavor and a steep learning curve for those in the industry. That's why it's so important that our communities support and recognize those construction industry leaders who are stepping forward and making a serious commitment to sustainable design. So we chose and selected a design-build team that we knew was really committed to our shared goal.
Located in Madison, Wisconsin University Research Park, this facility joins several other neighboring green buildings that have been built by Vogel Brothers Building Company.
The Wisconsin Energy Conservation Corporation project was developed with the goal of supporting WEC's mission statement to be an educator of good, sustainable building practices. We implemented many of these practices to develop an efficient, healthy, and sustainable building for Wisconsin Energy Conservation Corporation. One of the goals was to be one of the first LEED Gold certified projects in the Madison area. Vogel Brothers is very proud to have led the design-build team that constructed the Wisconsin Energy Conservation Corporation project.
Specializing in professional, sustainable design and construction services, Vogel Brothers is passionate about environmental stewardship.
The design and construction community have evolved to embrace sustainable issues as best practices in the industry. As our clients become more aware of the benefits of sustainable design as it relates to the performance of their buildings, their employees, and the cost benefits over the client's life of the building, it becomes easier to embrace these new practices with proven success. Armed with this knowledge, owners are requiring the architectural, engineering, and construction community provide a collaborative process to implement these technologies.
Anchored by a strong sense of history and tradition, the company has succeeded in meeting and adapting to a wide variety of business challenges since the company was established as a wagon and cabinet making shop in 1875. The time-honored values that served to establish Vogel Brothers in the late 1800s have helped the company become a multi-million-dollar construction company with divisions in Wisconsin and Florida. The next step in the Vogel legacy is to be a champion of industry-leading practices of designing and building that minimize the negative impact building can have on the world's environment.
The type of trends that we're seeing in terms of sustainable buildings in the marketplace are that clients are more aware of what's out there, demanding the implementation of these technologies within their facilities, and a response from the marketplace with greater availability of products, equipment, and technologies to be utilized within these facilities.
Wisconsin's leadership plays a key role in encouraging sustainable practices in business, architecture, engineering design, and construction. Not stopping in the built community, Vogel stays involved with practices and legislature by participating as part of Wisconsin Governor Jim Doyle's Conservation and Energy Efficiency Work Group.
The Midwest boasts world-class renewable energy resources that support rapidly growing wind energy, corn ethanol, and biodiesel industries, and has the potential for robust cellulosic biomass and solar industries, which is why Midwestern states like Wisconsin are leading the nation in the development of renewable energy and energy efficiency programs.
Translating into opportunities for businesses to utilize sustainable architecture, engineering, design, and construction, these initiatives serve as a tool for leading sustainable economic growth and profitable business ventures.
The states that are going to prosper in the 21st century are those that have set a path for energy independence and sustainability and have developed clear plans to not only address these upcoming challenges, but have found opportunities for innovation and growth in them as well.
Vogel Brothers also continues to invest in the future of its staff and clients with participation with the USGBC and its LEAD program.
LEAD stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, and is an objective performance tool the architectural and engineering community can use to measure the building performance. The LEAD process can benefit our clients and the global community well into the future.
We consider the needs and preferences of those that we serve. In our case, it's senior citizens. Those persons increasingly are concerned about the impact that their lives have on their children, their grandchildren, and their great-grandchildren. They want us to design services, including housing, for them so that they can live out their lives knowing that they're having the smallest possible impact on those that they love the most.
John and the Oakwood Board of Directors consider sustainable issues in facility development.
In planning for a new building, site selection is very important. We need to think about the application of solar energy in site selection and orientation of buildings, and then application of solar hot water in this climate is very practical, and we are also looking now at wind turbine applications on high-rise buildings and also photovoltaic applications on the surface of buildings. Lowering the cost of services for those we care for, senior citizens on fixed incomes, is really important to us, and we can do that through renewable energy applications. And then being viewed as a leader in our community in sustainable practices puts us in a position to be at a competitive advantage in attracting seniors to our organization.
The design and construction community will continue to have a significant role in the global community. We must be educators of good design and construction practices in order to be good stewards of the limited resources on Earth. This will support all the future generations.
To learn more about Vogel Brothers, please visit www.vogelbldg.com or call 608-241-5454.